Looking at more conversions between imperial and metric units, this time units of length. One simple conversion that's used very often is that 5 centimetres, which is a metric unit of length, is approximately equal to 2 inches, which is an imperial unit of measuring length. Another conversion that could be more useful sometimes is that 2.5 centimetres is approximately equal to 1 inch. Mr. Brown's doctor tells him that his waist measures 75 centimetres. Mr. Brown isn't sure about metric measurements. Convert the centimetres to inches to help Mr. Brown understand his waist measurement. I'm going to use the conversion here that 5 centimetres is approximately equal to 2 inches. How many lots of 5 centimetres in 75 centimetres? Well, 75 divided by 5 is 15. So there's 15 lots of 2 inches in there. So if we have 15 lots of 2 inches, 15 times 2, that's 30. So Mr. Brown's waist measures approximately 30 inches. This is one for you to try. Zoe has found an old sewing pattern in her grandma's craft bag. The pattern says to use 36 inches of fabric. How many centimetres long does the fabric need to be? Pause the video, have a go. If we go with the simple conversion, 1 inch is 2.5 centimetres. The pattern says that Zoe needs 36 inches of the fabric. 36 times by 2.5 should tell us how many centimetres we need. 36 times 2 is 72, and 36 times a half is 18. If we add 72 and 18 together, that's 90. It's fine to answer this by saying that the pattern uses approximately 90 centimetres. However, as with all estimating, we need to be aware if you were going to cut this fabric in real life or go out and buy it, that might not be enough. Something to bear in mind here is that 1 inch is nearer to 2.54 centimetres. It's going to be 90 and a bit more. So if you wanted to be precise with this, we know that we need 90 centimetres and a bit more. How much more do we need? If we take that extra 0.04 that's added onto the 2.5 and we multiply that by 36, using what you know about 36 times 4, so double 36 and double it again, that's 144. And if you're familiar with how you use multiply by 4 to work out multiply by 0.04, you'll be able to work out that the extra is 1.44 centimetres. So it's safe to assume that if Zoe was going to make this skirt, she's going to need 90 centimetres plus another 1.5 centimetres. If she was to go out and buy this fabric, it would probably be safer for her to buy 92 centimetres, or even round it up to a whole metre. This time we're comparing metres, which is a metric unit of length, which is approximately equal to 3 feet. Hassan's dad asks him to put grass seed on the lawn. He asks Hassan to cover a length of at least 12 feet. How many metres should Hassan cover with grass seed? If 1 metre is approximately 3 feet, how many lots of 3 feet are there in 12? If we have 12 and we divide it by 3, that gives us 4. So Hassan needs to cover at least 4 metres of lawn with grass seed. This is one for you to try. The sign for the hotel pool is broken. Tabitha has to use her float if the pool is deeper than 1.5 metres. Can you help her convert 6 feet to metres? Pause the video, have a go. Remember the conversion. 1 metre is approximately equal to 3 feet. We know that the pool is 6 foot, that must mean it's 2 metres deep. Tabitha is going to need that float. As mentioned earlier, With these conversions of measures, they are just approximations, and if you're doing these in real life, you need to be aware as to whether you're underestimating or overestimating.